this is what we're starting with. I feel like my room doesn't necessarily look bad. It just looks very bland. I feel like I have the most basic setup. Like I have my bed, my lamp, a plant, and that's it. I really want the vibe in here to match my summer energy, and during this season, I feel like everything looks so much more saturated. I'm so much happier, and I spend a lot of time in my room during summer, so I really want the vibe to reflect that. So say goodbye to this boring background. We are in need of a huge transformation. I really want to find a couple cute room decorations. I don't really have anything specific in mind, but I do want to be very like thoughtful with my purchases. I don't want to just buy random things. I actually found this, which I think is really cute. It's like this ceramic tile. It says the Amalfi Coast, and I went there last summer. So I think this is actually really cute. Anyway, let's see what we find. I can either go with this sheet set, or I could get this really nice high thread count sheet set that's supposed to feel like a hotel room, which sounds amazing, but this is super expensive. I do really like this case too, and then there's like this, and then they also have this one, the roll, right there. The stripes though too are so cute. I feel like this reminds me of like a breezy summer. I literally could not decide which color I wanted. You would think based on my outfit, this would be a very easy decision and I would go with pink.
The mess was gone.
No. Okay, honestly, I think I'm gonna go with the blue. I feel like the blue is more summery, but I think we're gonna keep both.
We don't need two sets of sheets. Pink bed sheets?
Do you actually like the blue?
Yeah.
I found this sheet set. They are like hotel sheets, 800 thread count. I don't even know what that means, but that's a lot. I have been wanting to try like really high thread count sheets for like a minute. Everyone says it makes the biggest difference in your sleep. And then I'm also gonna put on my new cute comforter. I'm so over duvet covers right now. Like the process of constantly changing out the cover over the duvet is so annoying. So we're moving to comforter sets. And it's like double-sided. Like I love this side too. Here is what my room is looking like now. I actually love the new bedding. I definitely think the blue was the right choice. It looks so much brighter in here. So I want to add a couple pillows to this bed. I have this one. This sun is so cute, and I feel like the orange and blue would be so pretty together. I also have this jelly cat. It's this little bear wearing this robe, this little surfboard I had to get. I think it would look really cute on my bed, but if not, I'm gonna use it as decoration somewhere in this room. Are you kidding me? But then I also have this one, this Hello Kitty in a shark costume. I kind of like it with just that one. Like I feel like that looks so simple. I just cleared off my entire dresser. I really want to decorate up here next. I've had this shelf next to my desk for so long, but I feel like it would look so much better in here. I love that it's two-tiered and that it's wood. It looks so cute. So my plan for this shelf is to put a bunch of decorations on this. I'm thinking like some of my favorite summer products and scents, things that are definitely a part of my summer essentials, but that also can be decoration. Okay, here's what it's looking like right now. I actually think that came out so cute. I was moving around products for a while, like trying to decide the perfect formation. It's the perfect mix of like my summer essentials and my most used summer products. I have this little air freshener that's from Hawaii. I feel like it's all very fitting. It's looking so cute. And then I just stuck my jelly cat right next to it. This sun is from Costa Rica. It's the cutest little hanging decoration, and I think this would be perfect right here. I already have this hook up on the wall. I love like the color theme we have going too. Okay, oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed. I feel like this already is such a transformation. Like the vibe over here with my bed behind me in this mirror looks so cute. Also, this mirror is so perfect. I got it at World Market and I feel like it also just matches the aesthetic of this video. I love decorating my apartment with wood. As you can see, it's everywhere. I have a couple other decorations that I bought for this video. The first being this diffuser. I am so excited for this. This one is really cute because it changes color and I just love how it looks. It kind of reminds me of my salt lamp, but it's gonna make it smell so good in here. So I bought the eucalyptus essential oil. I've wanted to get one for so long, but I wanted to get a cute one too because I want to use it also as like decoration. This wall hanger is so pretty, but it's like way too low. Like, why did I hang it that low? Like, it would look so much better up here. I'm just gonna take it off this string for now. It even has a remote. Oh my god, it's so cute. Honestly, I am loving it in here. It looks so clean and it smells so clean. And I feel like just having like minimal decorations and minimal furniture in here makes it feel so much better. I've been on this wavelength of like getting rid of stuff, having less stuff, and having like more emptiness in my apartment, and it feels so much better. So in this room especially, like I am loving it. Since I also have my bathroom attached to my room, I also wanted to decorate it with this summer theme. So I got a couple cute decorations and organizers. First is this over the door hooks. I'm so excited for these because I want to hang up my robe. Okay, so this is my robe. I'm trying to decide if I want to hang it on the back of the door or the front of the door. It's just so summery and cute. So I think I'm gonna hang it right here. I honestly love these door hooks because it's wood and white, which is like my favorite for furniture and decorations. Okay, let's put this up. Wait, this looks so cute. Why did I not do this sooner? I've been needing to do this for so long. This looks super cute. I love it. And there's also a little extra hook, so I'll probably hang my shower towel or whatever, but I'm kind of obsessed. I should have gotten this so long ago. And then I also got some scents for my bathroom. This is another diffuser. It kind of matches my big one. I'm really liking it. It reminds me of like the selenite crystal, but this one smells so good. It's grapefruit and ginger. I'm so excited to have a diffuser for in my bathroom too. This is just the cutest little container. Oh. Wait, the white stuff comes off. And then I have these sticks to put in there for the scent. I just want my house to smell so good and clean and cozy. Mmm. And I also got the matching room spray. And then I had to get a cute beachy hand soap. This is the foaming soap from Bath & Body Works, and I love these so much. It's super random, but it kind of makes washing your hands a lot more fun, and they all smell so good. I thought this one was really cute because it has shells, and it's just super beachy. I also bought these at that shell shop and they are so cute. They're these little night lights. So I definitely want to put one of these in my bathroom, like this one. Oh my god, so cute. So we're definitely going to put these in there too. Which of these should I add to the bathroom? That is the question. That is so cute, stop. Or we have this one. I think I like this one more. That is just the cutest ever. And then I'm gonna put this one in my room. Next, we're gonna be putting up some wall art. I've always really liked having my art on the walls, so like this painting is one of my favorites, but I feel like it doesn't really match the vibe in my room right now. So I do want this hung somewhere, but I don't think it's gonna be in this room. For now, I did wanna make some cute collages. I saw a couple ideas on Pinterest, and you can make these framed collages with like pictures and stickers and like anything super memorable. I really wanted to go full out and do a lot of crafting for these collages, so I got this really cute summer themed paper, and then I kind of just had fun and stuck a bunch of random things in here that I felt like went with the theme. I love this picture from Hawaii. I have pictures with my siblings, some sushi, matcha, some shells, this little surf Hawaii pin that I got from Brandy like forever ago. I just think this is looking so cute. And then this one too, it's more of like a pink theme. This is from Hawaii. This one is at the beach. This is actually the view from my porch upstairs. And then I have this one from a shell shop that we just visited. I think this one came out so cute too. I also have a bunch of these art prints. This is a Hilma af Klint piece, and it's one of my favorites by her. As I told you guys throughout this video, I love decorating my apartment with white and wood furniture. So having little accent pieces like these frames really tie everything together. This is one of my favorite prints that I have. This is the Birth of Venus, and I am obsessed with this one. I also have this little corner shelf. It's this wooden butterfly. It's so cute. This little Amalfi Coast tile I just bought in this video, so I definitely have to hang this up. And then I have a bunch of wall hooks I can put up because I kind of want to hang some of my purses, especially this one. I feel like is so beachy and cute. I was gonna stop there, but I feel like it looks a little bit unfinished right here, so I'm gonna add a couple little things. I really like the difference in sizes between each of these, so I'm gonna add like a couple little things here. So I'm trying to decide if I want to hang this butterfly shelf. I honestly can't decide because I really like how it looks. It's a corner shelf, so it would have to go right here. I do kind of like it right here, especially with like a smaller picture on this wall. I feel like it actually looks really good. I don't know if there's a better way to hang that so you can't see the nails, but it is what it is. That's how it's gonna look. I wish there was a way I could hang this. Is that cute or not? You know what? After all that, I think I've decided that I don't want anything on that shelf. I love how this section came out. I think it looks so cute. I'm honestly debating leaving this on the floor as decoration. I still really like it, and I kind of think it looks cute on the floor. It is time for the reveal. I am so excited to show you guys my finished room. So let me give you guys the overview. So here is an overview of what my room looks like. I am so in love. My room feels so much more summery and has a mix of like coastal, beachy decorations that are also minimal to keep my room looking really clean. So first I want to start right here at my dresser. I love how this came out. I feel like it looks so cute. I love the little reflection in the mirror where you can see the rest of the room. I am so glad I moved this shelf to this room. I feel like it belongs in here. It's too cute not to see every day. It's this two-tiered wooden shelf, and I wanted to keep a lot of my summer essentials on here, but I also wanted it to be decorative. And I also had to hang up this sun. So cute and perfect right here. I really wanted this to have a lot of like red, pink, and orange tones, like super warm summer. You know what I mean? And then next to that, I put this room spray spray. This is grapefruit and ginger, and I have the matching diffuser in my bathroom. And then speaking of diffusers, finally bought one, and I'm so happy I did. This one is so pretty. I just love the look of this. It has a couple different color modes, but I thought this one was really pretty. It's like a little bit of pink. I have a eucalyptus scent in there right now. Honestly, I don't know how I feel about this one. Don't think I would pick that one again. I think I'll go for something sweeter next time, but I'm so happy to have that. It smells so good in here. And then this is the first of the new wall art I put up. I wanted to do like a really easy wall art DIY with pictures that I already had because I have so many printed. So I put together this really cute like beachy collage. This is actually my boyfriend's surfboard, and I kind of love it right here because I feel like it really goes with the vibe of this room. The new bedding. I am in love. I think the print is so cute. I love the blue. I love the sun. I was really contemplating whether I should keep it or not, but I think I really like it. I bought these like super expensive hotel bed sheets, and I was like, did I really just do that? Like, that was so much money. I've heard that it improves your sleep so much though, so I was like, okay, I have to try it. And oh my god, when I tell you, the last week I have had the best sleep of my life. It really changed the game, I am not gonna lie. And the sheets that I got are just plain white. They actually have this stripe on it, which I did not know was gonna be there. So I put the pillows facing inwards so you can see it. So yeah, I am so obsessed. Next we have this side of my bed, and I think it came out so cute. I was really embracing the blue, which might surprise you because I'm way more of a pink person, but during this video I was really feeling the vibes of like a coastal beachy room. So on the wall again I have a cute DIY collage that I did in this video. I have my jelly cat sitting right here on my bed frame, and I think he looks so cute there. It's a little surfboard. The leash is so adorable, and it even has a fin on the back. I thought he was so cute sitting on the ledge instead of on my bed because I felt like with the pattern on him mixed with the comforter was just too much. I love hanging my keychains on the wall. I started doing this a couple years ago, and I think it's so cute. So I have this one from when I went to Italy and this one from Hawaii. And then I found this tile. I think it is so cute, and I put up a couple photos, and I even hung one of my most summery purses. I love this one. It's so beachy. It has these cute ribbons, and I feel like it just really fits over here. I had to add a couple things to my bedside table. I have a couple of these cute shells. I think they just look so cute right here, and it looks so cute next to my blue bed sheets. I have one of my favorite plants in my favorite plant stand. And then in this corner, I finally hung up this butterfly corner shelf. It looks so cute, and I just found this candle yesterday. I had to get it for this video. It's this California Summers scent, and it smells so good. It's in this really pretty container too. Honestly, there could not be a more perfect candle for this video, so I had to add that right there. I think it looks so cute. It smells like the beach, and it's perfect for this room. I love Hilma Afklint. She's definitely my favorite abstract artist. Over here I have my shoe rack. I wanted to put my more summery shoes on the top. I think this looks really cute, and it's also so practical. Next to the bathroom door, I have this night light. I cannot get enough of this. I think it is so cute. It's this little shell night light. And lastly, I have my bathroom. I wanted to hang my robe up right here on the outside of the door because I feel like it's cuter that I can see it. I got this hanging wall hook. It's wood and white, which I really liked. But anyway, let's go in the bathroom. So I didn't change too much in here, but I did want to show you guys what I added. The first being this bathroom diffuser. I noticed the scent a lot the first day, but now the last couple days I haven't noticed it as much. It does smell really good and clean though, and I just love this container. I think it looks so cute. It's so beachy. And then I also added this new foaming soap. I just think this bottle is so cute, and it smells really good. So I put my other one on my boyfriend's side. This is a spring scent, so it's still perfect. This is my lineup on my counter. And then I have this shell nightlight, and I'm obsessed. I think it looks so cute in here. I really like it next to this basket randomly. It's just so pretty. I think I like this one the most.